And before we wrap the show today, we want to share something. This is something we utilize in our business that either saves us time, makes us more money, or helps us have more fun. We like to refer to it as the Whissel Widget of the Week. What do you got for us, Bryan?
So my widget is a tool to help improve the audio quality of your videos. This has been something we've used. And what it is, it's a lavalier microphone, which means it's a little mic that you clip onto your shirt close to your mouth to get good audio. We've used another one in the past. It was a Sony one for like $20. It's fine, but it has some limitations based on where the mic is set and that sort of thing. We get some wind noise from it sometimes, and it's hard to kind of really get what we want. I tasked Tom to find me a couple lav mics at a higher quality. He found them, but I couldn't really dive into them and figure out what the quality is. And then my other photographer, Chad, bought these, and we were able to test them. They sounded really good. They have included the little pop shield, so that way it doesn't. It helps with the wind noise and helps with some weird sounds that you can make with your mouth. That sounded weird, but they're like $70 or $80. They're the lavalier Go. So we're gonna buy a couple of these for our everything East County Media Day type stuff, and utilize these instead of our old 6-year-old Sony mics that were decent, but these are better.
Cool. The one I got for you guys, I teased this a little bit earlier, but this is a system we're utilizing for our transaction management. And the thing that I love about this system is it integrates with our CRM, which is Follow Up Boss, which is fantastic. So I can see all my key dates and everything on my transactions inside Follow Up Boss. I don't have to bounce systems as an agent. The thing that I like for my team is that we can preset things like text messages, emails, all kinds of different automations to go out that are triggered based off actions that occur through the transaction process. So for example, an appraisal comes in and it comes in at value. Like you could just literally check a box and automatically notify all parties, appraisal's in, at value, good to go. Let's move forward. So the fact that you can have all these automations built in, you can fully customize it and integrate it. Those are like my 3 favorite things in the world: automation, integration, customization. Any system that does all 3 of those, I'm a fan of. The system is called Open to Close or OTC as we refer to it. So if you want to get connected with that, I can make an intro. Shoot me a DM on Instagram at Kyle Whissel. I'm happy to facilitate an intro for you. It's a newer system that's up and coming, and I think it's a great system to align with, and the growth curve on it is pretty amazing.
Yeah, we've looked at other ones and we've used different things, and the cool thing about this is they seem to plug all the holes that we've discovered with other systems. So far we're loving it.
Yeah, and just systems like that allow you to scale a lot faster, that don't require a lot of manual work. Things that can automate stuff for you is huge.
And it does require manual work up front, but what's cool there in this system as well is they have some templates that you can either utilize or buy from other teams doing this and kind of make it fit into your workflow. So that's something really cool too.
Awesome. Well, hopefully you got a lot of value out of the show today. Again, I'm Kyle Whissel with eXp Realty in San Diego. I want to thank you so much for tuning in to this episode of the Whissel Way podcast.
See you guys next week.
Wait. Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.